This is the installation of Navtool RGB MBC IRC designed for Mercedes-Benz vehicles with and without navigation. This interface is compatible with several models of Mercedes-Benz. RGB MBC IRC enables you to display video output from your iPad, iPhone, and iPad on the Mercedes screen. It provides video connectivity for numerous devices using composite video input. The demonstration of connecting the iPhone to the navigation screen is at the end of this video. Please note that professional installation is recommended. Watch the entire video before starting the installation. Visit navtool.com for more information. Step 1. Preparation of installation. In order to prepare the Mercedes-Benz radio for the installation process, open the front cover by pressing the eject button. When the cover is open, disconnect the radio from the power and turn the radio upside down. Step 2. Disconnecting the original ribbon cable. Carefully pull out the original ribbon cable from its compartment, remove the plastic cover, and disconnect it from the radio. While disconnecting the cable, do not apply any force on the locks. They are very easy to break. Be careful and do not use sharp objects to disconnect the cable. Step 3. Placing the cable back into its compartment. Put the disconnected ribbon cables back to its compartment, including the stripe on top of it. Run the loose end through the slot on top. Take precaution against piercing or scratching the cable. Do not use sharp objects for this operation. Step 4. Connecting Navtool ribbon cable. Run the Navtool ribbon cable through the same slot you used for the original cable. Connect the Navtool cable to the radio and close the locks. Carefully reinstall the plastic cover. Do not use sharp objects and do not apply force on the locks. Step 5. Securing the Navtool ribbon cable. Place the Navtool ribbon cable into the compartment behind the slot, where the original cable is located. Leave sufficient length for both the Navtool and original cable for connecting them to the Navtool board. Make sure at least 1.5 inch on both cables is loose. Do not use sharp objects during this procedure. Step 6. Installing the Navtool board. Connect the loose ends of the ribbon cables to the board as shown. Make sure to connect the plugs to the appropriate slot and to insert them in the right direction. Place the excess of the ribbon cables into their compartment. Make sure there is a long enough stripe left for attaching the board to the radio. Step 7. Securing the board and closing the radio. Manually close the radio front panel. Don't force it. If the panel refuses to close, check to see if any cables are preventing it from doing so. Remove the cover from the adhesive tape on the back of the board and attach the board to the back of the radio in the location shown. You may cover the board and the cables with duct tape. However, it is an optional precaution. Step 8. Connecting wires. Connect the harness wires to the following wires of your vehicle: orange wire to reverse, red wire to accessory, yellow wire to push button, gray wire to parking brake, black wire to ground. Make sure all wires are connected properly. This step completes the installation. Now proceed to the testing operation. Step 9. Test Navtool operation. It is recommended to test all operations before completing the installation. Check all the systems in your vehicle connected to the radio, including speakers, navigation, FM radio. Start by pressing the audio button. Please note, camera and DVD work only in audio mode. If a camera is installed, put the car in reverse to check its operation. To install a camera, connect orange wires to reverse. If a camera is installed, put the car in reverse to check its operation. To install a camera, connect orange wires to reverse. To check camera in motion, press button once again. To switch back to navigation, press and hold the push button for 3 seconds. If all functions responded correctly, the installation of your Navtool RGB MBC IRC, designed for the Mercedes-Benz vehicle, was done correctly. Please keep in mind that the Navtool video interface is compatible with any video source that has composite video output.